We're staying in this Airbnb, Hotel Aaron, no, in Osaka. Just near the subway, malapit sa nightlife. No? This is a different location from Dotonbori, but mas maganda yung vibes dito. We have katabi ng Hotel Aaron. This yung convenience store. Mostly sa loob mga Asian, Vietnamese. No? Going to Tokyo tonight. Tonight siguro arrival, no? Because we'll be taking a chance, no, sa Shinkansen. That convenience store, yung Daily Yamasaki, you cross that paloob, dun yung activity. Shen Semwa ba to? Yung location. Tapos si Kuya JR discovered yung internet cafe, no, dyan. So if you plan to stay mga 12 hours lang, no, normally ganito lang naman yung stay dito, and you need emergency na stay, that internet cafe, no, maganda siya, mura lang din. Siguro 12 hours you won't be paying more than 1,500 yen. Less than 1,000 pesos. Okay. Magandang araw ngayon, no? Very sunny, but the weather is still cold. Yan. People here while inaantay namin yung mga kasamahan natin, the entire family going out. This is highly rated sa Agoda. You have Kiara here.
There's a vlogger here.
Kiars, what's your comments sa Hotel Aaron, Kiars?
Very nice convenient spot.
Ano nga to yung may Hitachi nga, yung place nito?
Sekai.
Shen Sekai, no?
Sekai.
Shen Sekai. Dito yung kuha ni Kiko, no?
Yeah.
Ni Kuya. Yung, dyan sa nito yung internet.
Ah, talaga?
Oh, across the... Maganda, kung kuhan pala, kung magstay ka pala, you need mga 6 hours, 10 hours, or 12 hours. Pwede siya, may room din siya. Private room. So, tayo will be going there, di ba? Na direction?
Yeah.
Okay.